Hey everybody, this is Mike from ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, and I'm excited to share something that will completely change the way you handle mailing, address, lookup, and validation. If you've ever dealt with messy, incomplete, or inconsistent address data, you know how frustrating it can be. That's exactly why we created our mailing address lookup tool, an Excel-based solution that lets you validate, cleanse, and format addresses right inside your spreadsheet. This tool is perfect, whether you're working with domestic U.S. addresses or international ones. It standardizes everything to USPS format when applicable and works seamlessly with addresses from around the world. Since it's 100% built in Excel, there's nothing to install. Just download the file, open it up, and start pasting in your data. The tool connects to the Google Maps API for real-time address verification, ensuring highly accurate and current results. Getting started is simple. You'll need a Google API key, but don't worry, we've included a step-by-step video tutorial that shows you how to set it up in less than 5 minutes. Once you're set up, just paste your list of addresses into the sheet, hit the Run button, and watch the tool go to work. In just seconds, your entire list will be cleaned up and standardized. You'll get a fully formatted version of each address, along with separate columns for street, city, state, zip code, and country. And if you need geographic data, it also fetches latitude and longitude automatically. Whether you're processing 10 addresses or 10,000, this tool handles it with ease. It's an ideal solution for businesses in logistics, marketing, real estate, or anyone who relies on clean mailing data. We've been building Excel-based tools like this for over 16 years. And in that time, we've helped more than 7,500 businesses and professionals eliminate repetitive tasks and streamline their data workflows. The feedback we receive every single week from our users reminds us why we do this. As of today, we have over 140 five-star reviews on Google from customers who rely on our solutions every day. It's something we're incredibly proud of, and it pushes us to continue innovating and delivering real solutions to real problems. If this sounds like the solution you've been looking for, check out the link in the description to download it today. And if you ever need help or want to customize the tool to fit your exact needs, Vinny, our mastermind and support lead, is just a phone call, email, or live chat away. We don't use bots or automated systems. Just real human support when you need it most. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more powerful Excel tools and tutorials. See you in the next one.